Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to customize plain text emails in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your HubSpot account credentials. This will give you access to your marketing tools and email customization features. After you've logged in and landed on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the navigation menu. From there, click on Marketing. This will open up a submenu with various marketing-related options. Now, from that submenu, click on Emails. This section is where all your email campaigns and drafts are stored, and it's exactly where you need to be to start customizing your plain text versions. Once you're in the Emails section, you'll see a list of all the emails you've created or have access to. Browse through this list and click on the specific email you want to edit. This will open up the email editor where you can make changes to both the HTML and plain text versions of your message. It's important to select the right email here so you're working on the correct campaign. Now that you're inside the email editor, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find several options and settings. Click on Display Options. This will reveal additional settings related to how your email is formatted and displayed. From the menu that appears, click on Plain Text. This switches your view to the plain text version of your email, which is what recipients will see if their email client doesn't support HTML or if they prefer plain text emails. At this point, you're now viewing the plain text version of your email, and you can start making your edits. You can remove any unnecessary content, add new text, or adjust the formatting to make sure your message is clear and effective. Plain text emails are great for deliverability and accessibility, so take a moment to ensure your content reads well without any fancy formatting or images. Once you've finished editing your plain text and you're happy with how everything looks, head back up to the top of the screen and click Save. This will save all the changes you've made to the plain text version of your email. Make sure you click Save so your edits are stored and ready to be sent out with your campaign. And that's it. You've successfully customized the plain text version of your email in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.